kamusta ang consumer spending? Bumaba po ba? Dahil po baka nagtitipid na yung iba dahil pa rin sa nangyayari dahil umaaray na sila dito po sa presyo ng krudo at yung sinasabi rin natataas yung presyo ng kuryente. May mga nagrereklamo ba na bumaba yung sales po ng mga supermarket sa ngayon?
That is correct. In general, okay? Now, napakaraming klaseng supermarket. May malalaking chains, mayroong mga 5 stores lang operation, di ba? So for the in general, no? Matumal, no? Kasi nung Christmas matumal nga eh. So ngayon pa kaya, di ba? It's early March, no? So walang reason para gumastos, di ba? Tapos for those selling to the Muslims, Ramadan pa. So fasting, no? So walang talagang nakakadagdag sa negative sentiment, no? In terms of spending.
Okay, so malaking epekto yan sa ating ekonomiya, Sir Steven, no? Yung mababang consumer spending and inaasahan na bababa pa yan pag tama?
Then, because of consumer confidence is down and then people are saying, naapektuhan ba ng politics? I'm saying yes. Because of media, social media, no? Because of those effect nila which everybody is listening to every day. So pukpok sa utak ng tao. So business confidence is down, consumer confidence is down, no?
Okay.
What do? We just have to carry on and think positive and come up with ideas on how to spur the economy, no? Kasi we're a consumer-driven economy. So kung consumer-driven economy tayo at ang consumer's sentiment is down, di ba? Business sentiment is down. Ayaw mag-expand, ayaw magdagdag ng space or magdagdag ng negosyo, di ba? We're down, di ba? So, kailangan there must be some impetus or some initiative, some inspiration, no? Some good news, no? For us to continue doing business and for consumers to continue spending. Diba? Kung mahalang maggumalaw, mag-commute, sumakay sa sasakyan, no? Hindi work from home, pero kailangan sa opisina, medyo magtitipid ng tao.
Okay, nabanggit po ninyo, no, because of media reports, social media, but is it the reporting or is it the truth?
It's the confusion brought about by news which are, babuhin natin, mali pala yung nasabi. Because the bloggers, I think, those who are not very responsible and start blogging without checking their figures, or checking their data. Their facts, that's right. Fact check kailangan, di ba? Okay. So, kumbaga, nakakalito sa tao. So, people start talking to each other about something which is not, hindi pala totoo.
Pero yung sinasabi po ninyo na consumer spending and then confidence po, no, ng ating mga negosyante may kaugnayan sa nangyayari. So you're referring about still the issue of corruption.
Yes. People are saying walang connection yan. Iba yung pinag-usapang politics tsaka pinag-usapang ekonomiya. Related, syempre. Di ba? Related yan. Okay. Why should I expand and build another 5 stores if I feel that, government is not doing its job or, very corrupt? Or, sayang lang yung buwis na binabayad ko, di ba? So, I guess everybody has that at the back of their minds, no?
Okay.
So, sana, some good news as to what government is doing to show that huwag kayong matakot, we're doing this for you guys.
Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito na tayo sa True FM.
Mga kapatid, mag-subscribe and follow po kayo sa social media accounts ng True Network PH. Yan po kami, hanapin nyo lang True Network PH, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast. Mapa Apple or Spotify man yan, mahahanap nyo kami. Lahat ng mga napapanood at napapakinggan nyo po sa programa, nasa social media accounts namin yan. So, paano mga kapatid? See you sa social media!